Hello and welcome to my channel all about accountancy, where we convert your accounting problems into solutions. I am your host Professor Tanmaypvttutor and welcome to my series 60 Second Accountancy. 60 Second Accountancy is a series in which I share some of my accounting tips and tricks which might help you to solve your accounting problems easily. Today's tip is again related to journalizing. In today's tip, I am going to talk about the nominal account. So if you have no clue, nominal account includes incomes and expenses which a business incurs to run the business. So expenses like rent, electricity, salaries, etc. are a part of the nominal account. Similarly, interests such as commission, interest on investments, etc. are also a part of the nominal account. In other words, any expenses and incomes which are recurring in nature are a part of your nominal account. So whenever you are passing a journal entry for the nominal account, you should always remember that the transaction is important, but the person behind the transaction is not important. For example, if the transaction says paid rent rupees 5,000 to landlord, then the landlord over here is not important, but the rent that we are paying is important. So the journal entry for this would be rent account debit to cash account. Landlord account is not to be reflected in this journal entry. Similarly, salary paid to Mr. Ojas rupees 10,000. In this, Mr. Ojas is not important. The only thing that is important is you are going to pay the salary. If you remember, the double entry system has two aspects that we are supposed to record. So the first aspect is always the nominal account. So if you are paying the rent, then rent account. If you are paying salary, then salary account, so on and so forth. But the second aspect is never the person. It is always cash or bank. Because if you see the transaction properly, it says paid rent to landlord. So I have already paid the rent. It is not a credit transaction. It is a cash transaction. So obviously cash or bank is one of the aspects and the nominal account is your second aspect. So always remember, whenever you are passing a journal entry for the nominal account, that is for income and expenditure, the person who is incurring this expense or the person who is receiving this income is not important. Hope you have understood today's tip. If you have, then please like my video, share it, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you never miss a new video. I upload videos every Wednesday and Sunday. If you have any doubts or suggestions, you can use the comment box down below. See you in my next video. Till then, this is Professor Tanmaypvttutor signing off. Good luck and take care.